Miss and Georgia in the standings at 8-8. You've worked your way out of the SEC basement onto the NCAA tournament bubble. We talked about that earlier today at shoot-around. You said you hope Lunardi has us in the first 4 outs, so maybe our guys will be fired up and motivated to play today.
Yeah, I hope we are, because there's no more pressure. You know, the main thing is we just got to play our game. I talked to them prior to the game about single possessions. Don't think about the results of where we may be after this game. Let's just take care of this game. We'll get back to practice on Monday. I think they've earned a day off tomorrow. But the main thing is, who would have ever thought, guys, we would be in the NCAA conversation?
Absolutely.
So it's kind of neat for our guys.
Yeah. Well, that's a big tribute to you. The guys keep staying with it. But what about Redmond Boston High? It's amazing the improvement he's made and the flashes of things he's showed us now. He's going to even get better as his basketball career moves forward.
Yes, he has next-level talent. You know, he's just springboarded this year. When we first met, I watched video with him, and I talked to him about some things we wanted to streamline from his game and other areas we wanted to focus on. And he's just accepted coaching. He's just done a great job, and he's a great kid in the classroom. I mean, he's a graduate. You know, he's basically an all-A student, getting his master's. Just his family's done a terrific job with him. And also, I want to just say our coaching staff does a great job of working with our guys. It's not just me. It's not a one-man band. Our coaching staff, they work awfully hard, and I'm proud of them. And we got a lot of recruits, a lot of people here today, so I'm excited about it.
Congratulations on the win. 65-57, Alabama beats Auburn. Gets them closer to the NCAA tournament. But more important than that today, they beat Auburn.
All right, guys, thanks. Yeah, they were in that first